Hello everyone, it's Coding for You here, and today I'm here with another C# episode 2 tutorial. So let's get straight into it. Today we're going to be learning the if and else statement, and testing this we're going to make an actual login. So let's get straight into it. We're going to go File, New Project. Sorry, I had just had a little mistake before recording. Alright, I was like speaking and shit just came out. Alright, let's call it test, login, C#. Alright, doesn't matter about that name, just, you know. Alright. So, what we're going to need for this, we can just make the name, I guess, so we'll call it login form. God, my spelling is just horrible, guys. I'm sorry. We can also go here. This is if you want it to start where it wants to start, so you can choose default bonds, center parent, but we want to do center screen. So once we got that, that will make it start in the center screen. So as you see, blah blah, let it start with my slow ass computer. It's actually meant to be fast, but slow. Okay, so it starts in the middle. Alright, so what we're gonna need for this login form, we going to need a button, we need a label, we need a text box. Alright, labels, it's not really necessary, but we want to kind of indicate the person that's using the program what everything is. So we want this text box to be the username. So we'll put the username. We can expand these a little bit, make it look nicer. We can also go here, you scroll down, text alignment, this is what I like to do personally. You go center, so when we type, everything comes in the middle, which is much nicer for our username. Alright, now we want to copy, and we want to copy paste. Alright, we want to call this password. Oh, sorry, password. And this is another tip with password box. I like doing this for passwords because it's called use system password char. Okay, so you want to set that to true, so every time you type within this password it's going to go. I can't see the password. We can also make a button. I might do that for another video on like using visible, invisible stuff. I'll do it with this actually. Alright, so this is pretty much the design. We can start when you we probably go for the code now. So change button 1 to login. Login. Alright, there we go. Alright, so what we want to do first, I just need to make sure this is text box 1 and text box 2. Alright. Okay, let's go straight to our code. Okay, so just like normal as we saw before, we need to add some strings in. Oh, sorry. We need to add some strings in. Strings are basically something that's representing something. So, yeah, so what we're going to do is string. I like to do it right after the namespace. So, just put some things here. String, and we write username equals talking marks, and we write the username, so we'll call it user. Alright, so once we got that, go string, and go password equals talking marks. Password's gonna be password. Alright, no, sorry, I haven't added these. These are like very important. Alright, so we've got our strings. I don't know what the hell's going on with that. Just oh god, good. This happens. Sorry guys. Why are you so stupid? Sorry, this errors do happen. So you learn from your mistakes, it's good. Alright, namespace is not direct. Why? What the? Is it just because it... Oh god. I'm gonna say undo. Sorry guys, I'm very unorganized. I don't think strings need these actually. I'm actually gonna pause the video, I'll be right back when I figure out this problem. Hello guys, I'm back. I was actually doing the wrong thing the exact whole time. We're doing it in the wrong location, so sorry about that. It's actually right under the public form 1. So, no, right on top of it, sorry. Yeah, so, write string, we'll call it username, and username is going to represent, talking marks, it's gonna be user. Which is, right, let's just write Jake. Let's write Jake for the sake of it. And we'll write string password equals, we'll call it my password. Yeah, so once we get that, we can start basically working now. So So what we want to do now is this is the if statement. So we're gonna write if, which is basically saying if this happens in command. So this is like if. So saying if this happens. So we write if text, our first text box, which is actually username, text box 1 dot text equals username, which is our string, and so we write two n's, we write text box 2, which is our password, dot text equals password. Alright, so it's basically done. We want to go down, go here, true brackets, go down, and this is basically what happens. Alright. A little tip while coding: if you're doing if statements, they always have basically double. So, if you're writing it here, so saying if you write hello, this is just an example, hello equals 2. If you're saying that if you're setting as a variable or string or int, it's just 1. But if it's in an if statement, it's going to be 2 everything, like 2 ends, 2 equals that. Alright, so let's get so what's gonna happen is we're gonna get a message box. We've talked about message box that shows us welcome back, password was accepted. And we can also do the title correct. Yeah, so once we get that, we want to put an else statement, so say if it doesn't meet the requirements. So do that. So over here, background noise, just family. We want to do message box. Show. Same brackets, talking marks. Error. Wrong username or pass inputted. Yeah. Error. And we can also, why not? Let's make it. Oh, sorry, I forgot these things. We'll also make it that it just this is basically saying what it's on. So it's form1.cs. So this close. So make one they get it wrong, it closes. Alright, well let's test it out. It's ready to go. Alright, so we go back to form1, try to save everything. Alright, let's go. Alright, so let's go. Username was Jake. Password was, not telling you, jokes. My password, and log in. Welcome back. Password was accepted. Alright. So if I did username wrong password was inputted. I've actually spelled input wrong. Sorry. That's embarrassing. Okay. Alright. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more videos. This is coding for you is out. See ya.